So I am Dr. Joseph Nkhoma in the Department of Animal Health and Livestock Development in the Ministry of Agriculture, Water and Irrigation. Well, we are here briefing the media on the Antimicrobial Resistance Commemoration Week. And basically, during this week, we are talking about antimicrobial resistance, and largely I'll talk about the importance of antibiotics and antimicrobial resistance. We all know that we've experienced infections that are not easily being treated, both in animals and in humans. And so Malawi came up with a strategy, which is a 2017 to 2022, and animal health is part and parcel of that, in addition to the human and the environment health. Basically, because of imprudent use of antibiotics, for example, in animals, we're seeing abuse and misuse of antibiotics, and so infections that are occurring in animals, those bacteria developing resistance, and because of that, follow-up of future infections resisting any infections. And so it is important to commemorate. This week is very important because then we bring about the awareness and people to change their behavior so that we protect the ability of these antibiotics to treat infections. And specifically in livestock, we see a lot of antibiotics being used in poultry in the country, and the poultry is a very important source of protein, but also livelihood for people. And so we are seeing a lot of diseases that are coming in, and we are failing to control them because of resistance. We are also seeing a lot of resistance building up in dairy animals and the other animals. So that is actually threatening food security, because we are failing to treat, and therefore our production of meat, eggs, and milk is becoming a big challenge. But also of importance is that when we pump these antibiotics in animals, we are contaminating them with antibiotics, and then they end up in the food chain. And so indirectly, we, the humans, are eating antibiotics. And this is also leading to antibiotic resistance in people. One thing that we need to remember is that an antibiotic that is used in animals is basically the same that is in people, that is used in people. So resistance in animals means resistance in people. Underuse and abuse in animals leads to resistance in people as well. And so that is raising a lot of concern. And so let's all come to the commemoration week and let the message get out there to the general public.